Hello everyone, we will be learning how to make this beetle. Start off by drawing a red circle. Color it with a red marker as such, and then at the top, draw a small crescent moon shape to make the head. Draw small little circles that will make the eyes, and then along the center of the body, draw a line going straight through it. Add some dots on either side of this line as well. Add a dot in the center as well. Add the legs and the antenna. Next, start off by drawing an H shape and then connect it to this H shape, draw an ovular shape. Now connected to this ovular shape, draw the body, which will be an oblong ovular shape. Add the wings to the top and then add the eyes at the topmost. Color it in yellow, that is the body, and as for the wings, it can be done in blue. Add some small little markings in white as well. Now we will be learning how to make this bird. Start off by drawing a 3 shape and then right underneath it draw a 4. At the base, draw the tail of this bird. Connected to the top of the 3, you may draw the beak. At the body, you may draw the bird's wing. Draw the feet of the bird at the bottom as well and color it in as you please. Start off by drawing an upside down 3 as such. Draw a tent-like shape at the body of this tortoise and then connect it to the outside circle that is present. Draw the feet as such and then add on the head. Add a small little smile as well as the eyes and then color the body in green and then light green. You may also choose to use the color brown if you wish. Next, draw a tiger. Start off by drawing a circular shape using any circular object such as a bottle cap. At the top, add the cute little face. Add an H shape for the mouth as well and then add the whiskers. At the bottom, add the legs of this tiger and then on the face once again, add the small markings. Do this on either side. Do this for the rest of the body as well. Draw the markings on the tail and the ears, and once you are done, color it in yellow or in orange as such. Next, we will be learning how to make this elephant. Start off by drawing this particular shape at the top, that is the shape of the head. Don't forget to add the trunk. Draw the big ears and then at the bottom, draw the feet. Add a tail. In order to draw a flamingo, start off by taking a rather thick marker and then make an S shape out of it. At the bottom of this S shape, after you have colored in the body, draw a 4. At the end of this 4, draw the feet of this flamingo. Add the eyes and then some ripples of water. Now we will be making a giraffe. Start off by drawing an oval shape and then connect this oval shape to another oval shape at the bottom using 2 lines. At the bottom, add the legs and then add the tail. Once you are done with this, taking the topmost oval shape, cut a line through it. Then add the eyes, the antenna, the ears and the nose as such. Add spots all over the body and then once you are done with this, color it in as you please. We have chosen yellow and brown and orange to do so. Next, start off by drawing this particular shape. This will make the head and the ears of the dog. Add the small little eyes and then draw on the mouth. Right underneath it, draw on the legs of this dog and then connect each of them. Add on the collar with a small little bell to it and then draw the tail. Color it in brown or any other color that you please. We have chosen light brown and dark brown. Start off by drawing a crescent moon shape. Now, draw an almost triangle on one side of it and on the other side draw a curved shape. Don't forget to draw a line through the shape in order to signify the belly. Draw the eyes and then add a small little beak to it. Color it mostly in black except for the belly. Color the beak in orange. Now start off by drawing a straight line and then draw 2 in connection to this line. On top of the 2, draw 3 and then pull it through the 1. At the top, draw the eyes and then add a beak to it as well. Draw the small details and then add the legs. Start off by drawing a circular shape using a thing such as the bottle cap. In the middle of the top circle, add this shape to it and then draw on the face of this monkey. Add on the ears as well and then at the bottom add the feet. Don't forget to add the tail. Thank you for watching.